Hi, welcome to RAR Math and my series of videos on exponential and linear problems. In this example, we have a bake sale that starts with 325 baked goods, and in the first 15 minutes, they sell 60 items. So don't get caught up in just looking at numbers. 325, 15 minutes, 60 items. The 60 items is how many they sold, not how many they have left, and this problem has to deal with how many they have left. So my first step is I have to take 325 minus 60 to get that after 15 minutes, they have 265 items left. Now I can set up my model. Well, I can set up solving for my multiplication factor. 325a equals 265. If I divide both sides by 325, I get that a is equal to 0.815. But that's after 15 minutes. And so I need to go from 15 minutes up to 60 minutes. And what happens is, here's my hour. We multiply a here, half hour, 45, 60. We're multiplying a 4 times. So I need to take 0.815 to the 4th power to get 0.441. So now I have my model. Baked goods per hour is 325 times 0.441 to the h. It says how many will they have left after 2.5 hours. Now, don't think you need to do anything with that 2.5 hours. You can just use it. The beauty of this is you can have decimal hours and your equation will handle it just fine. So the baked goods after 2.5 hours is 325 times 0.441 to the 2.5, and this comes out to be 42 baked goods left. So from the initial 2.5 hours later, there's 42. That's a huge drop. If the event is lasting 5 hours and they went from 325 to 42 in the first 2.5 hours, do they have enough baked goods to last the entire event according to our model? Let's find out. Baked goods after 5 hours is 325 times 0.441 to the 5, and what we get is 5.4, or after 5 hours, there will be 5 items left. I know this sounds weird. You're like, no, they would just sell out. Maybe they would, maybe they wouldn't. You often buy from folder tables, which is why this is good to represent exponentially. If we were going to be doing this one linearly, we would have had baked goods over time equals our 325 minus 60t, but this t would have to be in 15 minutes. So 60 times 4 is 240. So baked per hour is 325 minus 240 per hour. You see where this is going. If they're doing 240 per hour, and if we multiply this by 2.5 hours, they're already going to be out. If we take 240 per hour and 325 items, if we were to do this linearly with 325 items, 240 per hour, we would find out that they only have enough for 1.35 hours. I don't think that's very accurate either. I think if they had 325 goods, this up here with our exponential would be a better model. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.